The name of the dance, Masa El Hachofesh, a journey for freedom. Musician Mark Eliyahu. Facing center, first part. In total, 4 parts. Sway, sway, and up. Sway, sway, up. Back, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, brush again. Facing center, up. Back, 2, 3, 4. Open mind, 3, 4. Step, brush. Facing the line, second part. 1, 2, up. Left, 2, 3. To the center. 1, 2, up. Left, 2, 3. Half turn, Yemenite, and half turn, Yemenite left. Half turn, right, and back, 2, 3. This is the second part. Then we do the first part again, and the second part, we go to the third part. Sway, sway, up. Back, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, brush. Here, we are facing the line, going out. Stay behind, and sway, and go to the center. Sway with the right, turn right, and 1, 2, up. Left is free. Left, and left, and left. Right, left. This is third part. Let's do it again. Goes 3 times. Sway, sway, up. Back, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3. Brush. Go out. Sway, turn to the center. 1, 2, up. Left, left, left. Right, left. Last part, fourth part, Eretz Eretz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, facing center. With 4 steps, we go half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First part, fourth part, twice. Then we go to the beginning, first part, and then the second part, and let's do the second part in the end of the game, end of the dance. 1, 2, up, and 1, 2, 3, center. 1, 2, up, and 1, 2, 3. Half turn, Yemenite left, half turn, back 2, 3, and in the end, hands goes up. Thank you so much. Good luck. מסע אל החופש, מארק אליהו. Thank you.